back with a new video. I wish to say a few words about the spa of South, the Courtallam hills. Now I am standing on the terrace of my grandma's house. You can see the main falls from here in the distance. It's just opposite to our house, but it's 5 kilometers away from here. My grandma usually walks in the terrace for some fresh air and for some sunlight. I too join with her sometimes. We get the panoramic view of the Courtallam hills. The falling clouds gives a cottony cap-like appearance to the hills. Fascinating rainbows are common here. The egret birds fly from east to the west in search of food. Hey there are 2 rainbows there. We usually see different kinds of birds flying here and there in the sky, sometimes above our head or our sides. Crows collect cooked foods from other houses, sometimes from our house also. They carry small sticks to build their nests. Sunbird sucks the nectar from Ixora flower. Bulbul sits majestically in the mango shoots. Mina and parrot make several crossings. Quail, pigeon, kite, tailor bird, and ibis are the common birds found here. Coppersmith, parbet, falcon, and golden oriole are the rare visitors. Needless to say, there are plenty of monkeys found in Courtallam. All breaks of the mountains and the sight of the birds take us to the heaven. Thanks to the leafy canopy of the surrounding trees, grow plants and enrich nature. It's drizzling here, so it's time for me to sign off. Stay home, stay safe. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.